I like it. This is Chelsea. A silver skirt. She has badges from her outer space suit, and she has these pretty boots. Okay. Oh, for the monkey bars?
Yeah, monkey bars.
This one and this one. Now you're supposed to put this together. Guys, welcome back to my channel, and we are gonna open a Barbie doll. It's called BARBIE Space Discovery. It's about Chelsea and her dog, and the space helmets, and there's a little snack right there, and a water bottle. So I think like Chelsea's just going to go to outer space by herself without Barbie. It's like a mission. There's gonna be secret spaces that you can see right here, like where the dog is. It's by the slide. It's by the slide. It's right here. Look at the picture. Let's open it. That's kind of easy. Hard to open this. Okay, so what's missing? Okay. Okay, we're gonna get this out. Okay. I think the ears. Okay. Look, these tiny holes. I think it's for the dog, and it's for the ears. Okay. He looks so cute. Look at his tongue out, and his cute eyes. It looks like he's doing a puppy eyes. Okay. Now, Chelsea's helmet. Wow. Look at this. Wow, so creative. I like it. And this is Chelsea. Okay, getting the water bottle. It looks bluer than the other water bottles. It's usually clearer. We have the snacks. There you go. Okay, so we got the snack bag. It's like only for outer space because you can't eat like ordinary food like chips and stuff like that. Now Chelsea, she has a silver skirt. She has badges from her outer space suit, and she has these pretty boots. And I love her hair, and a ponytail, and it's really shiny, her hair, and yeah. She's gonna enjoy this outer space adventure. We are gonna build a spaceship. I can't wait.
So we're gonna open this one first because they have instructions on it.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna cut. Oh wait. Okay, I think I can open it from here. Okay, so first we're getting the instructions to do this.
Is it good?
Okay, so you gotta like put things in the square parts. So
everything has a match?
Yeah, everything has a match. And there you go. We have our spaceship.
Gotta put the base for the rocket ship.
The base. Is it this one?
Yes.
Okay. So where do you put it? Hand it up. There you go. We have 3 steps. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, then let's say we're gonna do the stairs and the slide.
The stairs and the slide.
Yeah, two parts from the stair.
Okay. Oh, for the monkey bars? For
Yeah,
the monkey bars. This one and this one. Now you're supposed to put this together. Like you gotta go all the way to the bottom. There you go. See, you're supposed to hear that sound.
And then you gotta build the slide.
Okay, the slide. Let's put the monkey bars aside. These ones?
Yes.
Okay, so. Ooh, I like the glitter.
Yeah, it's nice.
Look at this. 2 pieces of glitter. I like it. Okay, so I think I know how to put it together. Whee!
No,
hurt it. Yeah, okay.
Okay, 5th part. We gotta attach the monkey bars to the space rocket.
Oh, I can see it now. Stand it up. So just put it on the side. Okay. So we're just gonna put it here. Okay. Okay, there you go.
And then we got to our next step is to build the swing.
The swing. Okay. I got the rocket ship, the little one, and this part.
Yes.
Okay, so first,
put it together.
yeah. So you got these stuff. Now you're supposed to stick it together. I think. Yeah.
Try to do the other side.
Okay. Now this one, like it's this way.
Do one first.
Yeah, and then the other one has to snap. Remember? Yeah. Okay. Oh, there you go.
And the last part is to attach the swing to the monkey bar.
Attach this.
And then the slide.
Okay. So it's like right here.
Go over there as the gaps.
Yeah. You see the gaps? There. There you go.
Okay, now we're gonna attach the slide.
Yep.
You put it in the back part of the rocket ship.
Yeah. Wow! I can't wait to do this.
No, she's not ready. She needs to put her helmet and her dog.
Okay. Oh, there you go. So now you gotta put her head in there. Then you gotta do the back part. Cause like can't fit. There you go.
Okay, now her pet.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait for my pet. She can talk. Woof, I'm right here. Okay. You got this. Now, I think it's this way. Yeah, it's this way. And then, thank you. Gotta do it this way. I am talking dog. Now, I'm actually pretty thirsty, but I can't drink anything because I might have my helmet. Too bad. One step, 2 step, 3 step, 4. Well, there's no 4 steps. 1 step for mankind, and 1 huge step for Chelsea and my dog kind. Woohoo! Affirmative. Okay, I'm going into the slide. I have to go to the stairs again. That was fun. Ow. I'm okay because I have a helmet. Oh, this is so cool. Yeah. Okay, come on. Oof. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! This is so much fun! This spaceship is so incredible, and Chelsea and her dog and the Space Discovery was so spectacular, and we will love doing these. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos, and we will have awesome videos like this one and other ones, even with Legos. So see you later. Bye.